Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Top Fashion Collection. I hope so all my viewers are fine. And guys, in this collection you see the short haircut ideas with the beautiful dressing, with the beautiful outfits for overage ladies. Overage look very beautiful and very adorable and very amazing. I hope you enjoy my collection because one of the best platform Top Fashion Collection provides you the outclass ideas of hair cutting, hair styling, hair ideas, how to solve your problems, how of about haircuts and hair trending ideas. I provide you the suggestions and ideas and give your best haircut, and your personality is automatically changed. You look so beautiful, you look so smart. I think this collection is very useful for you. I hope you enjoy my collection. I hope you love my collection. One of the best designs and one of the best creative art of collection. Thank you. Keep watching. Stay with me with the Top Fashion Collection. Top Fashion Collection is one of the best platform that provides you the every age haircuts look so amazing. Thank you to watch the video, to like the video, to share the video. If you have any question, then ask me in comment box. I think this collection is very useful for you about the haircuts of at the age of 40, 50 and 60. Look so amazing, look so smart, look so adorable. I think this collection is very beneficial for you. There are many advantages of short haircuts and look so amazing, and outfits about the haircuts. And guys, this collection is very amazing because when you cross 40, 50 and 60 age, you look so bored and you look so unhealthy. But when you take any haircut and take a beautiful outfit about that fit on your face, that fit on your body, and amazing creative styling and ideas look so amazing about the haircuts and the hairstyling, and the outfits are so beautiful, so lovely. Thank you so much guys to appreciate my YouTube channel on daily basis. The colors of dressing, the colors of pants and shirts, and the outfits look so beautiful. So thank you so much guys. The summer style and winter style both are available. When you look so amazing, when you look so beautiful, everyone appreciates your personality and your figure and your hairstyle. Your personality is automatically changed. You look so stylish, you look so amazing. Thank you so much guys to watch the video, to like the video, and to share my video with your family and friends. Watch the video till the end. Don't go, stay with me.